Implementing international SEO in WordPress ensures your site ranks well across different languages and countries. To do this effectively, you first need to define your international targeting strategy. You can target users by language, which means serving content in different languages regardless of the user's location, or use a combined approach. For example, you could offer English content separately for the US and UK, or Spanish content tailored to both Spain and Mexico. Next, choose the most appropriate URL structure for your multilingual or multi-regional setup. Options include country code top-level domains, which are best suited for country targeting, subdomains, which help keep language versions separate, and subdirectories, which are particularly easy to manage within WordPress using the multi-site feature. To manage the multilingual content efficiently, install a multilingual plugin. These plugins help you handle translations, apply language-based redirects, and include language switchers on your site. Some popular options include WPML for a comprehensive premium solution, Polylang and TranslatePress, which offer both free and paid plans, and Multilingual Press, which is ideal for multi-site configurations. The next step, probably the most complex, is the implementation of Hreflang tags, which tell search engines which language or regional version of a page to display. If you'd like to learn more on this subject, you'll find a link to the Hreflang Manager plugin in the video description. Finally, always include a language switcher on your site, ideally placed in the header or footer based on the relevance of the switching feature on the specific website. Most multilingual plugins include built-in widgets or shortcodes for this purpose. Just ensure that the switcher is crawlable and uses standard anchor links. Avoid JavaScript-only language switchers, as they can prevent search engines from indexing all language versions properly. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below.